first thing you want to do is ask yourself what you hope to accomplish. What's your mission? That will help determine which category of tax-exempt status you might qualify for. Under the Internal Revenue Code, there are actually 60 or more categories of tax-exempt status. Second, you want to ask yourself whether there are other nonprofits in your area doing the same thing. If so, consider whether it makes more sense to work with them in some capacity rather than starting a new organization. Now, assuming you decide to move forward with a new organization, you want to assemble your initial board. That might be 3 or 4 people, might be 8 or 9 people, but this will be your team that helps you get the organization off the ground. You do not want to do this by yourself. Next, an experienced nonprofit attorney can help you put the plan into action, draft your corporate governance documents, and help you prepare the necessary paperwork to file with the IRS. For most nonprofit startups in Virginia, the non-stock corporation is going to be the best choice of structure. It provides an added layer of liability protection for officers and directors. It provides a fundamental corporate governance framework to guide the organization, as well as opportunity to have perpetual life so that the organization outlives the founders. Form 1023 is the application for recognition of tax-exempt status under Section 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code. It's the form that most charities are required to file. The form asks for detailed information about the organization and its activities. The terminology can be confusing and the process can be intimidating to some, but I've helped dozens of organizations navigate the process, and rest assured the IRS approves thousands of these applications every year. Yes, it does. Virginia is one of about 40 states that regulates charitable fundraising, and it does so through the Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. So before a nonprofit starts a fundraising campaign, it should understand the registration and fee requirements that apply in the state.